Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Cello Quick Boil 600B electric kettle. On the front of the box we have an image of the kettle itself. To the left of that we have a few of the salient features which include auto off protection, push lid opening and a wide mouth for easy cleaning. Over here we have a couple of technical specifications like its 1000 to 1200 watt power rating and 1 liter capacity. On the right hand side of the box we have some importing and manufacturing information right here, and on the bottom of that we have the customer care details. On the left hand side of the box we have an image of the kettle with some of the key features marked out, like its power on off switch, water gauge, light indicator, anti-slip feet, boil dry protection and push lid opening. Over here we also have a blurb with some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. Up top we simply have some Cello branding. There's nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of the user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the kettle so that you can use it in a safe and effective way. We also have the warranty card which can be filled out to register for the warranty, but we once again please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Over here we have the base plate that provides all the electrical power for the heating element that is concealed in the bottom of the kettle, and it has a cable that's approximately 30 inches long. On the end of the cable we have a standard 3-pin Indian plug. Coming now to the kettle itself, we can see that it has a glossy black color theme going for it. There's some white highlight on the top, and on the sides we have a translucent white plastic that basically shows you to what level the water has been filled inside the kettle. This thing is on both the sides. Under the measuring window we have some Cello kitchenette branding, and underneath that we have the pilot lamp that shows you if the kettle is powered on or not. Up top we have the lid, which is a push lid, which basically you press down and it pops open. To shut it you do the same. To the side we have the power button on the handle, and this too has an auto shut off feature, which basically means that it will shut off automatically when it has detected that the liquid inside has reached a certain temperature. On the bottom we have the corresponding point that is on the base plate for the electrical power. We also have some of the technical specifications right here, like its power rating, which is 220 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz. That's about it in terms of the unboxing of the Cello Quick Boil 600B. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.